For the repair of the Hyundai generator controller, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, an oscillograph, and a custom communication simulator. Soon as we turn on the power supply, we can see the LED indicators of the unit lighting up, and we can also see the green LED indicator of the communication simulator lighting up, which means that the communication with the unit was successful. We can also see the communication of the unit on the oscillograph screen. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the generator controller is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.